This Chinese EV does something almost no other affordable electric crossover even attempts. Rear-wheel drive, at 35 grand, and it launches like you just got rear-ended by a freight train. Most EVs at this price are front-wheel drive, sensible, predictable. The Lynk Co 02 throws that out the window and goes full sports car layout. Here's why that matters. Rear-wheel drive means the weight balance is better. The driving feel is sharper. When you plant your foot, all 268 horses go straight to the back wheels and the car just squats and fires. 0 to 100 in 5.5 seconds. That's quick enough to embarrass hot hatches that cost way more. And it's not just the numbers. The sensation is different. Front-wheel drive EVs pull you forward like a rope tied to your chest. This one shoves you from behind. You feel it in your spine. But here's where it gets interesting. Lynk & Co didn't just slap a motor in the back and call it a day. They built this thing on Geely's C platform, the same architecture that underpins the Volvo X30. So, you're getting Volvo-adjacent engineering at half the price. The battery is 66 kilowatt-hours. Range sits at 445 kilometers. Not class-leading, but honest. Real world, you're looking at 350 to 400 depending on how you drive. And when it's empty, plug into a 150 kilowatt fast charger and you're back to 80% in 30 minutes. The cabin feels like it came from a design studio in Gothenburg, not a factory in China. Because it did. Lynk & Co is Swedish-designed, Chinese-built, Geely-owned. There's a massive 15.4-inch touchscreen that controls everything. A 10.2-inch digital cluster behind the steering wheel. Panoramic glass roof that floods the interior with light. It's clean, minimal, no clutter. The steering wheel is oval-shaped, like something out of an aircraft cockpit. Frameless doors give it that coupe vibe even though it's technically a crossover. And then there's the feature nobody asked for but everyone will use. Hey Honk. It's a customizable pedestrian alert that lets you program friendly sounds instead of blaring the horn. Testing showed people actually prefer it to the aggressive beep most cars use. Weird? Yes. Thoughtful? Also yes. This car was co-created with over 6,000 messages from existing Lynk & Co owners through the in-car app. They literally helped shape what this thing became. So it's not just another faceless Chinese EV, it's got personality baked in from the start. The price is what seals it. Starting at €35,495, under 30 grand in the UK, for rear-wheel drive, 268 horsepower, and a 5.5-second sprint to 100. Show me another EV at that price doing the same thing. You can't. So yeah, this thing breaks the mold in the best way possible. And speaking of rule breakers, next time we're looking at something even more controversial, a hybrid that charges faster than most EVs and somehow makes 845 horsepower. You'll want to see what happens when a family SUV gets that kind of power. Drop a comment if you'd actually daily drive the 02. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this video, hit that like button and subscribe for more content just like this. Leave a comment below with your thoughts or questions. I read every single one. And don't forget to click the bell icon to get notified about my next upload. See you in the next video.